everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're gonna learn more about place value. I'm so excited to do it. So, before we do that, let's review what we learned last class. Last class we learned about place value of numbers up to 100. Now let's see what it was. First, we reviewed about digits. We learned that we have 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 10 digits that make numbers. Now, for example, the number 5 has only one digit, which is 5. The number 38 has two digits, 3 and 8, so two digits. Digits, for example, in small numbers, we have only one digit. For example, the number 1, 2, 3, you see there is only one digit. But after the number 9, we start using more than one digit. For example, 10. 10 has 1 and 2, two digits. So, as you can see, when we have 9 ones, it's okay, no problem. But when we have 10 ones, we have to group them into 1 tens, okay? Now, the ones and tens are called the place value. So, number 9 has 9 ones, 0 tens. But number 10 has 0 ones and 1 tens. This is the place value of this number's digits. So, remember, when we have 10 ones, we have to make it into 1 10. So, 10 ones, whoop, we put them together as 1 10. So, 10 ones equals 1 10. Now, what does that mean? When we have 10 ones, we regroup them into one group of tens. So, the number 10 is made of 1 tens, like this one, and 0 ones. Now, let's look at these other numbers. 14. 14, as you can see, has 1 tens and 4 ones. These are the place value of each digit. Let's look at the number 49. 4 is in tens, so we say we have 4 tens and 9 ones. See, place value is pretty easy. Place values tell us how much each digit in a number is worth. For example, look at the number 11. It has two digits, 1 and 1. It's the same digit, but 1 is in ones and 1 is in tens. They are different. See, the 1 in ones is only 1, but the 1 in tens is 10, right? So place value helps us know how much each digit is worth. So, digits at the ones place count as 1 each. For example, if we have 4 in the ones, it means we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 ones, right? But the digits at the tens place count as 10 each. So, this one has 2 tens. So it means it's 20. 20, right? So together, this number is 24, which has 2 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so counting 10 and more. To count up to 10, keep adding 1 to the ones, right? Until you reach 19. See, for example, 10, you add 1 here, boop, becomes 11. You add one more 1, becomes 12. After 19, it's a different story. After 19, You see, we have 9 ones, right? We want to go one more higher. We add 1 to the ones. Uh-oh, guys, look. We have 10 ones. Remember 10 ones equal to 110. So we make it whoop into 110 and we put it in the tens. So instead of 110, now we have 2 tens, which is the number 20. But we don't have any more ones here. So let's look at the tens value. Look at the number 37. 37 has 3 tens and 7 ones. Easy. Now that 3 in the tens means 30, right? Broop, broop, broop. See, 3 tens is 30. And we have 7 ones, which is 7. Together, they make 37. Let's look at 73. 7 tens, 70. 3 ones, 3. So together, 73. Easy. 91. Oh, it's a big number. We have to write this one down. 9 tens. Okay, so 9 tens. How many ones? 1. So together, we have 91. Now, we learned about ones. We learned about tens. Let's go even bigger, the third one. When we have 10 tens, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we have 10 tens. We can group them together into 100. 100. So 100 is made of 10 tens. Now let's see. The number 100. How many hundreds does it have? The hundreds is the third one. See? 1, 2, 3. So it has 1 hundredths. How many tens does it have? 0. How many ones does it have? 0. Now this number is same as 10 tens, but we group it as 100. Now, let's go to the new topic, which is place value up to 1,000. Wow, such a big number, 1,000. So, we learned about place value table, which is ones, tens, hundreds. You can go from left or right. It's your choice. You can say hundreds, tens, ones. So we know about the place value table. But let's look at the number 367. It has, let's say, 8 ones, 6 tens, 3 hundreds. Such a big number. Now let me ask you some questions about 368. How many hundreds do we have? How many hundreds do we have? 3. Now what do 3 hundredths equal? 3 hundredths means 300. Now how many tens do we have? We have 6 tenths. What do 6 tenths equal to? 6 tenths equals to 60, right? Now how many ones do we have? 8. What do 8 ones equal to? 8. Because each one is 1, right? So we have 8 ones. Now you put all these numbers together. Let's say 300 plus 60 plus 8. It equals to 368. Pretty easy, right? Now, let's review. When we have 10 ones, it equals to 110. See, 10 ones, we glue them together. We group them together as 110. Now, what if we have 10 tens, like 10 tens? We can group them together, glue them together as 100. Easy. So, as I promised you, we're going to learn about thousands place. We learned about ones, tens, hundreds. Now it's time for thousands. Now what is 1,000? When we have 10 hundreds. Oh, we have 10 hundreds. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 hundreds. We can group them together as 1,000. 1,000. Such a big number. So we can group them as 1,000. Now let's look at the place value table of thousands. Look at this number. It has 7 thousands, 3 hundreds, and 8 tens, and 1 ones. What is this number? Now let's find out together. First question, how many thousands do we have? We have 7 thousands. What do 7 thousands equal to? 7 thousands is 7,000. Oh, we also have 300s, right? 300s. We have 8 tens, which is 80, and we have 1 1. Okay, now we put all of these together, we have this number. 7,381. Repeat after me. Before we read this again, repeat the word thousands with me. Thousand, 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 thousand. Very good. Now let's read this number together. 7,381. 7,381. One more time. One last time. Repeat after me. 7,381. Wow. Now we can read even a big number like this. Let's see other examples. By the way, guys, we always write comma. This is comma. You see this? This is called comma. After thousands place. So you see ones, tens, hundreds. Then you have to put a comma between hundreds and thousands. Because if the number, for example, this number 6,323, you see, it's not beautiful, right? But when we put the comma, oh, now I know. So this is 6,323. See, it's easier to read when there is a comma here. Okay, so don't forget to put comma after this gap, okay, between hundreds and thousands. You put a comma. Now, let's do some exercise. Oh, big number. 9,815. Okay. Let me ask you from the right side. How many ones do we have? We have 5 ones. How many tens do we have? We have 1 tens, right? How many hundreds do we have? We have 8 hundreds. How many thousands do we have? We have 9,000. So let's read it together. 9,815. 9,815. Easy. Let's do another one. Ooh, okay. This one, let's put it in the place value first. First question, how many thousands do we have? We have 6. Yeah, we have 6 thousands. How many hundreds do we have? We have 3 hundreds. Okay, okay. How many tens do we have? We have 2. We have 2 tens, which is 20, right? How many ones do we have? We have 3 ones. So now we can read this number together, okay? So let's go. 6,323. 6,323. Easy. 6,323. One more time. This time we do it super slow. Okay, let's go. 6,000. Repeat after me, okay? 323. Great job. Okay, enough with slow motion. So, let's make up a number, okay? Let's say I want to put 2 in the thousands. What else? I want to put 8 in the hundreds. I want to put 7 in the tens. And I want to put 0 in the ones. So we just made a number. So let's read the number together, okay? Let's write it first and then read it. So 2, 8, 7, 0. And don't forget the comma. Okay. So let's read this number. 2,870. Yeah, because we don't have any zero. We don't have any ones, right? We have 0 here. So we just say 70. 2,870. Voila, easy. I am so proud of you guys. You guys are so smart, so intelligent, and I couldn't ask for better students. Great job, guys. Until next time, let's say goodbye in slow motion. Goodbye, everyone. Okay, bye bye, guys. See you.